Hi everyone, Mr. Moore Sewing here. Today we're going to be talking about Maraflex thread. This is a Gutermann thread specifically designed for sewing with jersey and knit fabrics. Gutermann Maraflex is a stretch thread. It's not an elastic thread as such, of course, both have stretch, but it's specifically designed for sewing garments, not for decorative finishes. So basically what that means is you can sew this using a standard straight stitch, not have to use a triple stitch or a zigzag stitch to fix your pieces of jersey or stretch fabric together. It's quite a fine thread. There's 150 meters on this reel, whereas a same size reel would have 100 meters of a standard sewall, so it's a finer thread. So why would you bother with Maraflex, you wonder? Well, a couple of things. First of all, because you can use a standard straight stitch, it's a really neat finish, unlike you would get with a slightly raised finish that you would get with a triple stitch, or to be honest with you, fabric that could move under and is not as strong as it would be under a zigzag stitch. Because Maraflex thread works and stretches with the fabric, you can get up to 80% stretch out of this before you even got any chance of it cracking. Unlike a standard thread where that's a lot stronger because it's a stable, non-moving, non-elasticated thread. Comes in a range of colours. We've got some here, so you should be able to find something that matches your garment, what you're making. And all you really need to use with this is a jersey or stretch needle, depending of course on the type of fabric, stretch fabric that you're using and the amount of stretch in it. You use this as the top thread and as the bobbin thread as well. Gutermann suggests using a lower tension with this on your top tension, but actually we found you can just swap this out for your standard thread as long as it's your top thread and your bobbin thread, and your standard tensions will actually work quite well with this. You need to make the stitch a little bit wider than you might otherwise do, otherwise it might pucker up because it is a stretch thread after all. But actually, sewing with this is really quite easy. Little tip here though, if you are going to adjust the top tension, make a note of the number that your tension is currently set to, so you can put it back where it was when you change back the threads. I mean, you could set your own tension as you go along if you know what you're doing, but it's much easier just to put the number back where it was. We really like this thread. We use it a lot in the classes here. We sell a lot of it online and in the shop. So what you're going to see now is me sewing with this thread on a standard sewing machine. We're actually going to use a FAF passport machine for this. It's our go-to machine, with a stretch needle inserted into the machine, and you'll see this as top and bottom thread, and you're going to see us set up and use it, and you'll see that just the kind of quality of stitch that we can get from this. So we really recommend it, and it's really quite easy to use. You shouldn't be afraid, and if you're sewing with stretch or knit fabrics, it's really something you should be looking at. Okay, happy sewing.